Did you say Leica M-mount? You're in the right place. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from Leica M-mount, Italia, and today I'm gonna show you how it is to live in this city, because you might have seen, I don't know, many photos, videos, but we're not going around everybody always with our fancy boats, and we're not just going around to meet and have melatinis with Mr. Clooney. And so how it is to live in this city in reality when it's like a gloomy day like today, when there are no sunsets to shoot at, when there are no celebrities and we're only left with cheap tourists and not much to do. So as you can see, there are plenty of people going around with their smartphones, with their cameras, because I don't know what they're shooting at. Ideally, anybody who has a smartphone would love to snap postcards, because this is what we're talking about. We're talking about snapping postcards about this city. But if you browse on Google, you will find already many photos. So how can we add something special to it? How can we add a certain something to our photos and to our videos when going around in the city it's packed with people, so you cannot take anything about that special corner that you were witnessing, and when nothing special is happening because most of the tourists only have two main needs. One is to get fed and the other one is to rest or use the public washrooms in the playgrounds. But apart from that, guys, there are not many things to do in the city. Different thing is if you want to climb and so see all these mountains, you can go and have hikes on top of them. So I will show you around what there is really to do, so stay tuned, because episode after episode I'm gonna disclose some hidden gems that only locals know what to do, where to go if you want to have fun, if you want to enjoy the place, and if you want to avoid the crowds. Because let's face it, doing something by yourself is a thing, you can enjoy nature. Doing something where there's a crowd all around you, it's totally different. Like in this very moment I'm trying to record this episode, but there are people yelling like 3 meters behind me, so also the audio is impacted. So let's stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you around. So it's also challenging to stay serious because I don't really know what language these people are talking, so maybe they will understand, maybe they will try to gather some information. Normally when they see a camera they think there is something special going on, like a local TV or a broadcast or whatever. I don't do broadcasts, I don't do podcasts, I don't do lives, I only share the best that I can with you. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have my EDC always at hand. It's a Sony A7C Mark II. I'm using a Viltrox 20mm f2.8 at the moment, and if I have to shoot videos or photos I will use my Zeiss. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the reviews to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you, bye bye.